Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever needed to access a Windows PC from your Mac? Whether you are working remotely, accessing office software, managing servers, or helping someone troubleshoot a computer, remote desktop software can make it easy. In this video, I will show you the best Microsoft Remote Desktop options for Mac. I will also explain their features, pros, cons, and which one is best for your needs. Let's get started. Remote desktop softwares allows you to control another computer over the internet or a local network from your Mac. You can access Windows applications, transfer files, manage remote systems, work from anywhere, and provide technical support. The remote computer appears directly on your Mac screen as if you were sitting in front of it. Let's start with Microsoft official solution. First, open your browser and search here Microsoft Windows app and add your macOS version also. Like I have Monterey, I will search for Monterey. Then press enter. Now you can see here Windows app MS Remote Desktop for macOS. Click on this link. Now scroll down. Now you can see here the download icons. Microsoft Windows app version 11.2.0 for macOS 12 Monterey. This is for my macOS. Click on this download button. The download started. Let the download be complete first. Microsoft has replaced the classic remote desktop app with the new Windows app for Mac. And its features are: it's completely free, secure Microsoft connection, supports multiple monitors, clipboard sharing, file redirection, high resolution display support, Azure Visual Desktop support, Windows 365 Cloud PC support. Open the file, double click on this install package file first. As you can see, you will need a guide through the step. Click on continue, then again click on continue, click on agree. Now from here, change install location, select a directory where you want to install this, then click on continue, then click on install. Provide your Mac password here, then click on install software. As you can see, the installation process is started. It is running package scripts. As you can see on my screen, the installation was successful. Then click on close button. Now, as you can see, it is opening. Now Microsoft Auto Update helps update your Microsoft applications for Mac. Required data notice. Click on OK. As you can see, it is updating. If you want to update the whole Microsoft system, click on update all. If you want to update a particular app, just select the app. I want to update the particular app, this Microsoft, and I will update it, and that's it. Now you can see here Windows app. I will click on this. As you can see, it is opening, it is installing. Now you can see it is open. Now click on yes, click on continue, click on OK, and again click on OK, and that's it. Next, skip. Just connect the devices and manage it from here. This is free, very free, and it is very effective and it is very useful. And if you need a simple cross-platform solution, you have a Windows PC, you want a free solution, you need direct remote desktop access, always use Microsoft Windows app. It is very useful. There are many alternatives app for this like AnyDesk, TeamViewer, Splashtop. If you use AnyDesk, I will show you another thing is there are alternatives app as well like AnyDesk. You can use AnyDesk also. But the free version of AnyDesk did not give you many things. But if you purchase the paid one, it will give you unlimited devices, custom branding, session management, advanced security and business support. Just click on download now from here and it will start the download. As you can see, the download is started. This is the DMG file. It is best for freelancers, managed service providers and technical support companies. Open the file in folder. Now double click on this file. Now just drag this AnyDesk on application. That's it. Open your launchpad. As you can see here, the AnyDesk app. Open this app. Click on open. Now from here you can see the interface of AnyDesk. Just close this first. Now here you can see your address and here you will enter the address of another device. Just enter the address of another device and press enter to get access of their device, and just give your address to another user to get access your device. This is AnyDesk, alternative of Microsoft Windows app. So Microsoft Remote Desktop remains one of the best free ways to access a Windows PC from your Mac. However, depending on your needs, alternatives like AnyDesk may offer additional features and flexibility. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.